Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Tanjiro from Demon Slayer. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 circles. And then another circle inside each one. Now to continue drawing the face, I'm gonna zoom in. Next, on top of each eye, let's draw an angle up. Then angle it up again. And then another 2 angles going down and out. And now thicken both of these lines up slightly in the same way. And then let's add one more angle on the outside corner. And next, underneath each eye, let's draw a V shape. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with an angled line up on top of each eye. Then from the center, let's angle it up again, and then bring it to the end. And now color both of the eyebrows in black. And lastly, underneath the eyebrows in the center, let's draw another point down. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's start drawing the shape of the face. On the sides, let's start with an angle down. And then bring it down to the center for the chin. Now top back inside and let's draw 2 small diagonal lines for the nose. And then a curve underneath for the mouth. Now top back out to the sides and let's curve it up and bring it in slightly. Now from the top left, let's draw 2 small V-shaped points up. And then another smaller one. And now let's continue doing the same thing all the way over to the right side. Next, let's move inside, and on the top right, let's draw a curve down, bring it down again, another curve underneath, and another line down. Now from the bottom, let's draw some curved points over to the right side like this. And then on top of this line, let's draw 2 U-shaped curves. And that's it for the face. Now let's move up and let's start drawing the hair. On the top left, let's draw an S-shaped curve down and flick it out at the end. Then from the end, let's curve it in. Now let's add another triangle piece of hair underneath. Now next to this line, let's draw a wavy piece down and in. And then one more piece back into the head. Next, let's hop over to the right side. Let's draw a curve out, then bring it down, and back in. And then one more piece underneath. Now on the top right, next to this piece, let's draw another curve out and back in. Now a curved piece underneath going out, and another skinny one underneath. Now let's hop back up towards the center, and let's draw another wavy line out and curve it down at the end. Now for the next piece, let's move back over on the top left and let's draw a curve going out and down, and then curve it back in. For the next piece, let's draw a wavy one on top of the head. And then another one in the same way next to it on the left. And then one more curve down on the left to close off the top of the head. And that's it for the hair. Now let's move down and let's draw two curves underneath for the ears. And now let's add the earrings. Underneath each ear, let's draw a diagonal line down. And then underneath, let's draw a rectangle. Now for the pattern inside, let's draw a border at the top and the bottom. Now in the middle section at the bottom, let's draw a curve up. And then at the top, a smaller curve like this. Then in the center, let's draw a line down. And then diagonal lines on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw two lines down for the neck. And then a curve across the bottom. Now inside the neck, let's draw a line down the center. And then a bent line on both sides. Now next to the neck, let's draw a curve down and out on both sides for the shoulders. Now underneath each side of the neck, let's curve it down, bringing it out like this. And the same thing from the outside, coming to a point at the bottom. Next, let's move in between and let's draw two curves across here for the belt. Now inside, let's draw two lines down in the center and then a square in the middle. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw two lines down on the left and on the right. Now let's add some details to the shirt. Underneath the collar, let's draw a circle, and then two more buttons underneath in the same way. And now between the buttons, let's draw a vertical line down. And lastly, inside on the shirt, on the top right, let's draw a rectangle. Next, let's move to the sides and add the arms. Let's start on the right side and let's draw an angled line down from the shoulder. And then from the end, let's draw a curve down. Now underneath, let's draw two angled lines for the arm, and then two curves at the end. Next, for the hand, let's draw a curve at the bottom for the thumb, and then another larger curve to close off the hand. Now inside the hand, let's add a small curve and another one underneath. Now behind the arm, let's draw a curve down and continue it underneath for the back side of the sleeve. Next, let's hop over and let's draw the left arm holding the sword. From the shoulder, let's draw a shorter angle down and then a longer curve going down and out. And then from the bottom, let's curve it back up to the body. Now for the arm, let's draw 2 angles up near the top here. And then close off the end with 2 curves. Now from the bottom of the sleeve, let's draw another curve up. And that's it for the arm. Now let's add the hand at the end. We'll start with 2 small angles up, and then an oval at the end. And then on the right side, let's draw another curve for the thumb. Now inside, let's draw 3 curves for the fingers. And that's it for the hand. Now let's draw the sword. On the left side, let's draw 2 angles going down and out. And then close off the end. And now inside this section, let's add some stripes. Now let's continue the sword on the other side of the hand by drawing 2 lines out, and then a skinny rectangle at the end. Now at the end, let's draw the blade by drawing 2 curves over, and then continue them both on the other side and continue it behind the earring. And now let's close off the end with a diagonal line. And that's it for the sword. Now let's move back down and let's draw the pattern on the jacket. Down the center of both sides of the jacket, let's draw another wavy line. And then draw curved lines across. Now inside the left sleeve, let's draw a curve going down, and then 2 across. And now let's hop over to the right side and let's draw 2 angled lines down, and 2 in the other way. And that's it for the pattern on the jacket. Now let's move down and draw the pants. Underneath on both sides, let's draw an angle down and bring it in at the bottom. And then from the sides, let's draw 2 V-shaped points down, like this. Now let's hop to the center and let's draw a V-shaped point up in the middle. Then from the bottom, let's angle it out and up. Now underneath, let's draw another bent line on both sides, and then a small angle down. And now let's close off the bottom of each leg. Now before we continue the legs, let's move to the bottom of the jacket and let's draw a curve back up on both sides like this. Now let's hop back down and let's draw an angled line underneath each leg. Now from the bottom, let's angle it in and down. And then close off the bottom with a curve. Now let's hop inside and let's add some details. From the top, let's draw an angled line down. And then another one going the other direction underneath. And now let's fill in each of these sections with some more angled lines. Lastly, let's move underneath and let's draw the feet. Let's draw a curve down underneath like this. And then an angled line out from the outside. And then close it off at the bottom. Now inside each foot at the bottom, let's draw 2 curves. And then 2 more on top. Now underneath each foot, let's draw a small line down on both sides. And then a curve across the bottom. And that's it for Tanjiro. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!